Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a club on the Clubhouse application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the last icon down below. Scroll down till you find the clubs section and tap on this blue button, create a club. After that you can add the profile picture to this club by tapping on this photo image at the top. Then you can type in the name of the club. Then you can select membership such as open to all or by approval. It means that new members must be invited by an admin or approved when they apply to join. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to select. As you go back, you can also select who can host the rooms, such as any members or leaders can host it only. You can also add topics by tapping on the add button, and you can provide a brief description of this club. After all of these steps, tap on the create button in the upper right corner of the screen. As you can see, you can also add members to it. And if you are done, tap on the button done. Here you can schedule your first event by tapping on this green button and create a new event. So here you can find your club and you can edit it anytime you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.